I'm back. Actually smells really good.
Half of a cup of cornflake crumbs.
How about you put? My hands are kind of.
So what you need to do is grab another bowl.
Yes, sir.
And then I'll pour. A bit less than that.
How much to ask for?
Half of a cup of cornflake crumbs. Now, whether that means half a cup before you crumble them, actually I think it's half a cup after you crumble them. So go ahead and crumble them into little crumbs. And we'll see if they all fit in this thing, which they won't.
It's like meatloaf in here. This is how.
Oh, we need.
We know a lot more. Like just like. There we go. I had yeah. Crumbling my. What is this called again?
Cornflakes.
Cornflakes. About to call it Wheaties.
Maybe too much.
Well, yeah. So
I crumple them more. In fact, even these need to be crumpled more.
You hear that?
Need to be crumbs.
These are crumbs. That's like. It's like sand. What? I'm helping you. Put it here. Put it up.
Helping. You spill
Here,
it all
put it over
over.
this. Oh, and you. That's a disastrous mess.
I'll clean it up.
More of it's going on the table.
I'll clean it up. There.
That
That's
is.
almost half a cup.
Oh, he's got cornflakes in the flour.
All right, I got cornflakes in the flour. It's
This
gonna wreck
is
the
gonna be a
whole-
crunchy hamburger.
gonna wreck the whole meal. I see how it works.
You're the one that tipped it over.
It's still.
It looks like some kid got into like the kitchen and said make something. Want to see this? You want to see this disaster? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I have you on top of a banana. It's a piece of. It smells very fruity. I'm using my hands.
Yeah, that'd probably be better, but you gotta wash them afterwards.
Yes, scientist of E. coliism. Oh my god. This smells really good, but when I look at it,
Mix well. Mix very well. Then you mix the mushrooms drained into the ground beef mixture. So I'll go ahead and open up the.
are you sure this is like a recipe for food, not recipe for how to kill yourself?
Yeah, for sure.
That looks like something from someone's digestive system. And I'm doing my pathology. Like, you died from this. Congratulations. This bowl is too small.
4 ounces. Oh, drained weight, 4 ounces. Okay.
Do the math.
Yep. Once that's mixed, we'll add the mushrooms.
I'm still trying to get like all like the meat like separated from itself. So it's like all the molecules mix into one disgusting ball of crap. No, I'm joking. This is actually really, it smells really good. It's that ketchup that smells really good and the garlic. What is this? It's part of the. Okay, you can distribute that to that. I'm washing my hands.
You gotta mix them up again.
I know, it just got really gross. Why don't you do it?
I'm not gonna do it.
That's hot.
Can't use this
Why not?
because it's got cornflakes.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want cornflakes on the waxed paper.
Yeah, I'll burn and catch on fire.
No, it'll catch on fire. It'll just roast.
Yeah, but then it'll be like,
Toasted.
it'll be like, ew, I don't like how the mushrooms feel with the meat.
Where was that thing you used? Never mind.
It's way over there. It's by the, I put it in the sink.
I know.
What are you talking about?
1 tablespoon of flour. I need another one of these.
The mushrooms are not mixing. They just want to stay on top. I have to break up the meat and smash it. We should have did it say to cut up the mushrooms? Maybe? Because some person is going to get like 1 full hamburger with no mushrooms in
It
it.
needs to be mixed well.
And I'm breaking up so I can get like some mushrooms into the middle of the ball. And some of it doesn't want to stick to the meat.
Well, maybe the bowl is too small.
Can you pull another one for me?
You needed that giant bowl.
When I looked at it, it didn't look like it needed.
It does. Go ahead. Put that in the sink. Please. Thank you.
Oh, much more like room.
Yeah, uh-huh. Make sure you get the mushrooms into the mixture, not out of the mixture.
Could you press that square on my phone? That's the stop button.